Hi everyone, welcome to Curriculum Night. My name is Ashley Young. I'm one of the art teachers here at Lambert and I've been teaching here for the past 12 years. Here's my information down below. If you ever need to call or email me about any questions or concerns, please feel free. This is my schedule for the year and what I teach during each class period. We will have a supply fee for the class, so please make sure you go onto My Payments Plus and pay that. It is for materials we use in here and to cover costs of consumables, and also to have tools for each child so that they have this toolkit to use individually, and then they will return that at the end of the year. We will also be making digital portfolios. Every student will get information on its learning on how to do this, and they will be posting before and after pictures of each project so that we can see what they made throughout the year. For grading purposes, you guys will have 3 grades for every project. You will have 2 formative grades, a studio production grade, how well you work in class, and then a class critique. And then we will also have a summative final project grade. There will be 1 midterm test in here, and they can use their notes from their sketchbook to take that. So ceramics 2 projects, I want to give you some information. Hashtag Lambert Ceramics on Instagram. I post a lot of pictures of all the students' work over the past several years. At first, we start out with large coil building. They have to make it at least 12 inches high and add some sort of detail to it. So here are some examples. Then we move on to Sgraffito skulls. This is a process where they learn to layer the clay and then we paint on an underglaze and then they carve away certain designs for Dia de los Muertos. And here they are glaze fired. We will do all different kinds of projects. This one's just very unique where it incorporates a zipper. We will do coral sculptures. These are fascinating. They come out very beautiful. They take time and learn different ways of adding detail. And you can put these in fish tanks and they look awesome. We will also be doing platters and hopefully have like a class party where we can actually use the platters. Everything we make in here is food safe and you can put them in the dishwasher. We will create a connected coiled textured patchwork vessel and use a different kind of clay for this, like a high fire clay, and test out glazes. This is perfect to have on your desk, or when you go to college, you can bring it with you and put all your pens and pencils or makeup brushes, whatever you want to use it for. Here's a different way of just kind of messing around with clay and different materials. So you can cut out areas and we can add a yarn or wire. We will also be making sushi sets and using like a lace pattern to imprint on them. And these you can use as well and wash them in the dishwasher. We will be learning slip transfer. It's kind of like a temporary tattoo that we put onto the clay and then we will clear glaze over it. Here's some examples. We will do rain sticks. These are awesome. We make we use a special template to make them and we put nails throughout and then we will roll tiny little balls of clay and put them in and then seal it up and poke some holes and then we will glaze them, and when they use them they sound awesome. We will also be learning the wheel. So for the second semester we will be going on the wheel and I will be teaching them the basics of how to throw like a cylinder and a bowl and then something of their choice. All projects are subject to change and they'll be bringing all different kinds of things home throughout the year. If you ever have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to call me. Thank you so much for coming tonight and watching this video.